In this short and basic video, we will learn today how to hide full path in the title bar in Windows 10 or 11. So just you have to open File Explorer. Now here click on these three dots and options. You will see this dialog box. Here click on View and here is the option display the full path in the title bar. To hide, uncheck, then click on Apply, then OK. If you need to show again, check this box, then Apply, then OK. So this is the short and basic video to hide and show full path in title bar. Thanks for watching.